Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How can I help you?
May I talk to you for a moment?
Of course. Please come in.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. What's on your mind?
I wanted to ask about yesterday's lesson.
Sure. Which part was difficult?
I didn't understand the last example.
The one on the board?
Yes, that one.
Okay, let me explain it again.
Thank you so much.
First, you need to read the question carefully.
I think I missed that step.
That happens sometimes.
I get confused easily.
Don't worry, learning takes time.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Now look at this part.
Oh, I see it now.
Does it make sense?
Yes, much clearer.
Great.
Ma'am, may I ask another question?
Sure, go ahead.
How can I improve my English?
Practice every day.
Speaking or writing?
Both are important.
I feel shy when I speak.
That's normal.
Really?
Yes, many students feel that way.
What should I do then?
Try speaking with friends first.
Okay, I can do that.
Also, listen to English daily.
Like videos and podcasts?
Exactly.
I watch English videos sometimes.
That's good. Keep doing it.
Should I read books too?
Yes, simple books at first.
I like short stories.
Short stories are perfect.
Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome.
Ma'am, I'm worried about the exam.
Why are you worried?
I'm afraid I might fail.
Don't think like that.
But the syllabus is big.
Start studying little by little.
I usually study at night.
That's fine if you can focus.
Sometimes I feel sleepy.
Take short breaks.
That helps?
Yes, it refreshes your mind.
I didn't know that.
Study smart, not hard.
I like that idea.
Do you revise your lessons?
Not regularly.
Try revising every day.
I'll try, ma'am.
Good.
Can I ask about homework?
Yes, what about it?
I couldn't finish it on time.
What was the problem?
I didn't understand the instructions.
You should ask earlier next time.
I was nervous to ask.
Never be afraid to ask questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Learning comes from asking.
That's true.
Do you enjoy the class?
Yes, I really do.
That's nice to hear.
You explain things clearly.
Thank you.
It helps me understand better.
I'm glad.
Sometimes I make silly mistakes.
Everyone does.
Even good students?
Yes, even teachers.
Really?
Of course.
That's comforting.
Mistakes help us learn.
I'll remember that.
Good.
Ma'am, how can I speak more confidently?
Practice aloud every day.
Alone or with others?
Both are helpful.
I talk to myself sometimes.
That's actually good practice.
Really?
Yes, it builds confidence.
I didn't know that.
Also, don't rush when you speak.
I speak too fast.
Slow down and breathe.
Okay,
Confidence comes with time.
I hope so.
It will, trust me.
Thank you for believing in me.
Always.
Do you have any tips for exams?
Read questions carefully.
I sometimes skip words.
That causes mistakes.
Yes, I noticed that.
Manage your time well.
I struggle with time.
Practice with sample papers.
I'll do that.
Good decision.
Ma'am, can I come to you if I need help?
Any time during office hours.
Thank you.
You're always welcome.
I feel more confident now.
That makes me happy.
I'll work harder.
I believe you will.
I don't want to disappoint you.
Just do your best.
I will.
Learning is a journey.
Yes, not a race.
Exactly.
Thank you for your time, ma'am.
You're welcome.
I learned a lot today.
I'm glad to hear that.
I should go to class now.
Yes, don't be late.
I won't.
Good luck with your studies.
Thank you very much.
Keep practicing.
I will, ma'am.
See you in class.
See you.
Take care.
You too.
And don't forget your homework.
I won't forget this time.
Good.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Thanks again.
Anytime.
I feel motivated now.
That's great.
I'll start studying today.
Excellent.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Goodbye.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Thank you for everything.
You're welcome. Keep learning.